Hello, I wanted to come on and do a review of the pop-on veneers. I finally made a decision. These are my tops and these are my bottom veneers. I didn't get the Hollywood white. These are the natural whites. I don't want it to look too, not real. So once you get the impression done, they do send you back your 3D of your teeth. These are my bottoms. These are my bottom veneers. So each side I got a missing tooth on top and bottom. You see my smile, my crookedness, all that. You can see all of that in my impressions. Like I said, these are the bottoms. See the gaps, missing tooth. This is my top. This is in my smile. Look at the crooked teeth on both sides. They're in my smile. So I didn't smile. I stopped smiling as much as I used to because I had a big smile like this, But after my teeth came missing, I had them pulled. I had to adjust my smile because I didn't want nobody to see this, because before I adjusted my smile, I was, like I said, I would smile like this big. But look, you see the missing teeth. So I adjusted my smile to this. Like that. But that wasn't my smile. I wanted my smile back. So I came across this video on YouTube. I'm not YouTube, on Facebook, about the pop-on veneers. I followed it for like almost 2 weeks before I decided to get them. I do live videos, and I was very self-conscious about doing live videos because I was so focused. I think I was more focused on my mouth than anything. I was like, okay, so I want to see all the gaps in my mouth. I want to can they see the yellow tint. So not only did this bring my confidence back, I will be able to work my business more productively, meaning that I don't have to worry about no one seeing the gaps when I smile or the yellow tint on my teeth. So I showed you the 3D. This is a little cup. They send you this to put your teeth in. They send you some Polydent, and they also have a mirror. I'm going to show you how I insert these, and I am going to show you my new smile. So these are the bottom veneers. They do pop in. These are the natural white. I did not do the Hollywood white. These are the natural whites. So I'm going to put the bottom in. They pop on, just like I said, they pop on veneers. They pop right in, they snap right in. So here's the bottoms. Very snug. They don't move. You can eat in them, sleep in them. These are my tops, my top veneers. Now I can smile, y'all. Oh my gosh. And look at that. You can't see the gap. You don't see no crooked teeth. You don't see the gaps in my teeth. You don't see none of that. You don't see the yellow tint. Now I could be more productive. Thank you, pop-on veneers. You gave me, not just gave me my smile back, but my confidence. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're considering getting the pop-on veneers, get them. The only thing I would say about them is learning how to talk with them in your mouth. You see how I sound? I sound a little different. But once you get used to them, you will learn to adjust your tongue to where you will talk differently. You see how fast I adjusted my tongue? And now I don't talk like, like this right here. I talk now because I adjusted my tongue in my mouth. It's just a process of getting used to it. It's not bad. It's very comfortable. They don't hurt, and they fit to the T. Look. Gosh. Awesome. Go for it. Think long, you think wrong. Best decision I ever made. Thank you, pop-on veneers, again for giving me not just my smile, but also my confidence. Now I can work my business like a boss.